Spackle job right now, there's only one coat. But after you do your 3 coats and the drying time is done, this is how you want to sand it. First of all, the edges. You want to see how it is now? You want to sand it basically till it's all gone. Keep going back and forth until you see it's like a smooth touch so it planes in. Both edges you want like that. This so it blends right in. The middle, you hold your sanding block flat in the wall, lightly back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, until you see it blend into the wall. No imperfections. And that's how you get the perfect finish.